In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream from OBS without webcam. So all you have to need, just go to your OBS and under sources, go ahead and add your video and audio sources. But don't add your webcam. So I'm clicking on this plus icon to create a new source. And here we can see the video capture device. So to stream without webcam, we have to avoid this video capture device. Instead of webcam, you can just add emoji or any other image. To do that, click on media source, and I'm just browsing the image or memoji from my computer. And here, clicking on OK. And here we can see the memoji added. Now you can just go ahead and resize. You can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard to resize the memoji just like this. So that's how you will be able to stream from OBS without webcam. Instead of webcam, you can just go ahead and add an emoji or image. And now to start streaming, just click on Start Streaming. Once the streaming started, I'm just going to my Twitch, and as you can see, I'm successfully started to stream on my Twitch from OBS without a webcam.